In order to calculate the amount of red dye in your selected beverage, you're going to need to plot your data. So what I've done here is I've placed fake data, just fake numbers. Here I've got my concentration, and here I have my measured absorption. We want to highlight these numbers and then go to Insert. We're going to want to put in a scatter plot. It should look just like that. Then we'll have to push this green plus sign. We'll want to add axis titles because we need to tell the reader what units and things we're using. And then we want to add a trend line. If we add a trend line, we're going to want to add the additional options and go over here. We're going to want to display the equation on the chart and display the R value. So then I like to generally make these guys bigger because I think that 9 point is hard to read. Make it bigger and move it over where we can see it well. Okay. Now we're not completely done here. We need to put a title. We're going to name this Absorbance of Red Food Dye. And then we'll click down here. This will be our concentration. So this will be concentration in micromolar. We need to tell people what units we're using. And this is our absorption. Absorption at, and I think we're at 490 nanometers. Okay, so that you're pretty much done with your graph. Then you need to use this equation to calculate the amount of dye in your beverage. The Y is your absorption and the X is your concentration. For your beverage, you don't know the concentration, but you do have an absorption. So you can plug Y in here and calculate X, the concentration. Good luck.